In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add vertical video to Wix. To get started, open the Wix editor for the site you want to work on. This is where you will add and adjust your video directly on the page. Once you are inside the editor, look to the left-hand menu and click Add Elements, marked with the plus icon. This panel gives you access to the different content blocks and media options you can place on your site. From there, select Video and Music. This section includes several ways to display video, depending on where your content is hosted. Under Single Video Players, choose the option that fits your video source. You can use YouTube if your video is already uploaded there, Vimeo if that is your preferred platform, or Video Upload if you want to add a native video file directly into Wix. After choosing the player type, drag it onto your page and place it where you want the vertical video to appear. Next, click on the video player you just added and select Change Video. At this point, you can either paste in the link for your YouTube or Vimeo video, or upload your vertical video file if you are using the native upload option. Make sure you choose the correct file or link so the player displays the intended content. Once the video is loaded, the key part is adjusting the shape of the player so it matches a vertical format. Click on the video box and use the side adjustment handles to manually resize it. You want the frame to look tall and narrow, similar to a 9:16 portrait ratio. This is the common format used for vertical videos, especially for mobile-friendly content. Take a moment here to fine-tune the size so the video looks balanced on your page and fits well with the surrounding design. If needed, reposition the player slightly after resizing so it aligns neatly with the rest of your layout. Keeping spacing clean will help the page look more professional and make the vertical video feel intentional rather than stretched or compressed. When everything looks right, click Publish to make the changes live on your Wix site. That is the final step, and your vertical video will then be visible to visitors in the format you created. That covers everything you need to know.